Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One, I like to talk to you. I cannot forgive what you did. A, so. B, but. C, while. Two, I haven't seen that movie, so don't tell me how it ends. A, yet. B, so. C, hence. Three, she objected at first. Finally submitted. A, or. B, because. C, but. Four, both dogs. Cats are lovely animals. A, and. B, yet. C, so. Five, I always take a bath, going to bed. A, after. B, before. C, when. Six, the food wasn't good, at least it was cheap. A, while. B, so. C, but. Seven, I am hungry, my pocket is full of cobwebs. A, so. B, but. C, unless. Eight, Jimmy was brave, his twin brother. A, unlike. B, unless. C, so. Nine, Liam Hemsworth, Chris Hemsworth are brothers. A, but. B, and. C, nor. Ten, are you for? Against his idea? A, or. B, but. C, and. "11, I was absent from school. I was sick. A, hence. B, otherwise. C, because. "12, you take a taxi, you'll still miss your train. A, even if. B, therefore. C, and. "13, the pain went away. I took the pills. A, so. B, because. C, but. 14. It is too late that we cannot go to cinema. A. So. B. But. C. Because. "15. She likes geography, history. A. And. B. But. C. So. "16. She was very tired, she fell asleep. A. Even. B. Because. C. However. "17. Do you want to go, not? A. Or. B. But. C. So. "18. Lions, hyenas are enemies. A. But. B. And. C. So. "19. I need some shots. I go on my trip. A. When. B. After. C. Before. "20. You either like this quiz, you don't. A. Or. B. And. C. But. "21. She was smart, she did not make the right decisions. A. Although. B. Since. C. While. "22. We can go on horseback, on foot. A. Or. B. So. C. But. "23. He was tall, not good at basketball. A. While. B. So. C. But.